So once again, you're welcome back to the channel. Straight away, I'm going to be solving this linear expansivity question and heat energy. In this question, we are asked to find the increase in length of the rod, where they gave us the final and the initial temperature. They gave us the the length of the rod, and they also give us the linear expansivity of the material, which is the 2.6 10 to the power of negative 5 per Kelvin. So now what we are going to do is we are going to introduce the linear expansivity formula. The formula is linear expansivity is equal to increase in length divided by the length of the material times the final temperature minus the initial temperature. Yes, so this is the formula now. So we are going to input the values as stated in the question. So for the linear expansivity, the value for it is 2.6 times 10 to the power of negative 5. This will be equal to, we don't know the increase in length of the rod, so we're going to leave that one like that, the unknown, divided by the length of the rod is 200 meters, the final temperature is 33, the initial temperature is 23. So now next step, what we are going to do is we are going to, let's rewrite this, 2.6 times 10 to the power of negative 5 is equal to E divided by 200 times 10. So now next step, 2.6 times 10 to the power of negative 5 is equal to E divided by 200 times 10 is 2000. So what we are going to do next is we are going to multiply both sides by 2000 to make the right hand side balance. So we have 2000 times 10, sorry, 2000 times 2.6 times 10 to the power of negative 5, all be equal to E. The next step, what we are going to do is we are going to use indices to multiply this. All of us, we know that 2000 is 2 times 10 to the power of 3. That's 2 times 1000, which is equal to 2000. So we have 2.0 times 10 to the power of 3 times 2.6 times 10 to the power of negative 5. And we know that in indices, whenever we multiply like this, all to the power of 10, we take the tens, we take one of the 10, then we add the powers. So we are going to multiply 2.0. So we have 2.0 times 2.6 times 10 to the power of minus 5 plus 3. When we multiply this, what we are going to get is we are going to get 5.2 5.2 times 10 to the power of minus 5 plus 3 is to the power of minus 2. So this is the value for it. Or we can see that to make it to be a normal decimal, we take this decimal point backward twice, because you can see that it's negative. You can see negative 2 as the power there. So we can write this as 0.052 meters. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. And also let me know your thoughts in the comments. I will see you in the next video. Stay with us.